Hello guys, today we are here in Robinson Preserve. We never been here yet. This is the first time here, so we're taking like a small hike. From parking, we're going to observation tower. Then we'll see if we can. How far is the boardwalk? Maybe we're gonna go to the boardwalk. It would be nice if we have like bike. I suggest you bring a bike, and it's gonna be a lot easier. That's what I said. Never been here before. First time here. All of us are here. Manong Ryan's there.
Tired. You woke me up at 12 in the afternoon.
yeah. And then mom and the kids right there behind us. It shows on the sign earlier that the observation tower is about 0.1 miles, and the road here, it's a gravel road, but it's nice. And it is a little windy today. That's why we just decided to come over here instead of go out in the water. It's still spring break.
Wind me up and watch me choke. He could build me with feathers and break me with smoke. Holds me till I can't breathe, and his eyes tell me things his mouth can't achieve. Me, I feel 1,000 different ways. Still I'd rather act than articulate.
So we are on the boardwalk right now. So if you've never been here yet, if you're close to the area, come over here and visit it. It's nice. If you have a bike, just bring a bike. It's a lot easier. The walk is not that bad, but today is a little sunny, but it's a little windy, so it's not that bad. We'll see where this thing is going, and we're trying to find a picnic spot. Maybe have some snacks in there, relax, and then maybe spend like an hour and a half here.
I wanna be the one that got away. I wanna be the one that got away. There's always hope to keep us going. I still see a white picket fence and green grass growing. Maybe I was drawing in my head. You know you're the reason that I left. Know when you want me, well I'll be gone. So talk to me another time. See, I don't need your recklessness, because I got mine. Oh, won't you look for me on a different day? I wanna be the one that got away. I wanna be the one that got away. So let me go. You want me, but you don't know. Just set me free. It's your love that's killing me. So talk to me another time. See, I don't need your recklessness, because I got mine.
Oh, you can see the sky right there.
It's windy. Okay guys, we are here right now in on the tower, top of the tower.
Ryan, just
See nice, you can see nice view up
Ryan,
here,
look.
right there.
I think this way is better. You can see the skyward.
Yep. It's that's what I said earlier. It's windy.
Yun na naman.
The boardwalk behind me, right there. That's where we went earlier, and we did a little picnic. It's nice to relax. I don't know if you can see the Skyway Bridge. It's on that side too. It's nice. What you can say about our little short outing today?
It was nice, hot.
What else? That's it. Rylan, what you can say about our outing today?
Don't eat.
Huh?
Been lost underneath its spell, just for now. Bid to you farewell. Dig my heels in, do my best, try to forget all the rest. Remember my good intentions. Caught up in the whirlwind of, got about my faith in love to make.
Alright guys, we're going to the parking lot now. We did our hike. We probably did like 2.5 miles back and forth. So it was nice. It was a good day. Maybe we'll come back here again someday. The kids had fun. What do you think, Ryan?
Huh?
What do you think? Nice place. Yeah. But Rylan got tired. He wants to be picked up, so he's right there.
He's grumpy again.
Right there.
He's always grumpy.
He's always grumpy. Yeah. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.